How to buy VineX coin token. So this token came under the symbol of VineX. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's released 5 hours ago and it's increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. This token is trending number 3 on the screener right now. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solar network. Open your friends wallet for that. Now click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. And here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy VineX token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.